Hello everyone. In today's video we will learn how to create basic Google form with different types of questions like this. So generally the Google form consists of MCQs, right? But we can add different types of questions given here. So for example, for adding short answer type questions, select short answer option. For adding paragraph, you can select paragraph option. For adding MCQs, you can select MCQ, multiple choice questions. Then for checkboxes, it is same as MCQ, but here if you want to want your student to select more than one option, you can use checkboxes, which is not possible in multiple choice option. Drop down, if you want to make students select the option from this drop down menu like this, you can select this option. You can use file upload if you want your students to upload certain image or certain things like videos, audios. They can upload from here only. If you want to add some rating scale questions, you can use linear scale option. You can use multiple choice grid if you want them to choose the correct option from the given options. Like this, they will be able to choose only one option. Checkbox grid, it will help to select multiple options from the grids. To insert date, you can just click on date option. To insert time, you can use this time option. So these are the different options you can use to create your questions. Now let me show you few things here. So here, as you can see, different buttons are there. So let us get to know each and every button. So this button is called add-ons. So you will be using it to create proactive forms. I will explain it in my next video. Format option will help you to customize your form to look customize the way it looks. Then to preview your form, you can select this option. Then to share the link of your form, you can use this send button. To add new question, use this plus button. To import question from some other form, use this button. Use this button to add title to your form. Use this to insert image, this one to insert video, and this one to insert sections in your form. Now this answer key, if you tap here, you will be able to set answers and scores for your question. This button will help you to copy the question. Suppose I want to copy this question, I will click here and same question will appear down and I can edit it there only. Now this button, delete wala button, to delete the question. From here you can just drag and drop this question anywhere you want. If you want to reshuffle the question, you can do it from here only. Okay, so these are the important buttons you should know in your Google form. Now let's see how to create a simple Google form. Creating your Google form, just go to Google and search for create Google forms and tap on the very first link. Say go to forms. After selecting your blank template, you will see this first page of your form. Now if I want to create a test on integer addition and subtraction, any assessment, I will add my title here. I will add my instructions just below that. From here, if I want to auto number my instructions, I will select this bullet 1 2 3 and will add my instructions right here. So this is my instruction, and yeah, I'm done with that. Now let us move to the question part. But before that, by default the form is not set as the quiz, so you need to do certain settings. So as you can see, different tabs: question, responses, and settings. So go to settings and just click on the circular ball. So now your form will become a quiz wala form. So it will collect the scores of your students. Okay, it is very essential. If you are taking assessments, you need to do this first and then move to questions. Now my very first question for any Google form, any feedback form, quiz form, my first question should be write your name, so that I get to know who has responded to my form. By default it is selected as a short answer. Keep it as it is. But here you can see near answer key, you can see the point. So 1 point is assigned. By default it is assigned. I will be changing it to 0 point and say done. Okay, I can copy this question, otherwise I can add this plus wala button also. As of now I will copy the question, so that I have made some changes. I have converted the point 1 to 0, so these changes I need not to do again. Okay, so I select this copy wala button and I get same question again, and you can see here the point has become 0 only, है ना. So I will change this question. Write your grade. For writing the grade I don't need any marks, and that is why I copied the above question. So write your grade. It is okay, 0 point it has. And I will show you how to use drop down option here. Okay, you can keep short answer also, but drop down how to create I will show you. So grade, suppose first, second, whatever your options are, you keep inserting. Okay, and okay, I'm done with that. Now I will start with the main questions. So for that I will add from this plus button. Okay, so I have added one question. Now here you can see the points are set as 1. Okay, I want my each question get some score now. So my questions, next question would be suppose this. So I will show you how to use multiple choice now. Okay, so multiple choice. So I will write probable answers. Now one of the answer of course should be the correct one. Rest can be the incorrect. Now it is very essential for me to tap on this answer key and set the answer. Which is the correct answer? -5 is the correct answer. So you need to select it. Remember this important step. Okay, to auto grade this question. Now point, if you want to make it 2, 3, you can do it from here only. I keep it as 1 and say done. Okay, this is how your first question is ready. Now I want same formatting for my other questions, or so I can copy it and just change the question. So I will show you how I copy this question. Okay, and I make it checkboxes type question. Okay, so checkbox where students will be selecting more than one option. So my question is 1 minus 3 equals what? So actually it's 2 -2. Okay, I keep this option. I change one option. -2. In words I write. This is also the correct one. So there are two options which are correct. Okay, and I want them to select those. So I will again set the answer key, and answer key is here -2. I will deselect this. Answer key is -2 and -2. And now say done. Okay, let us use this plus button for new question every time. Now if I want to insert date and time, so I will just select date. Automatically date is selected. I will just put here enter date. Okay, so answer key, I will tap here, I will make it 0. It is done. Now I will again click on this plus sign and add new question, and I will choose time. I will write enter time. And you can see the time is entered. Again I will make this one point as 0 and say done. If you want to add new question, click here. Now I will show you how to add short answer type question. For example, if I don't want to provide my student any clue, any option, I can use this option, short answer, so that they will just type out the correct answer. Okay, the point 1 and answer key must be written here. They have written add a correct answer. So correct answer to this question is +1 or 1 only. Yes. So say done. If you want to change the score, you can. Again I tap on this plus button to add new question. Now let us see how to add file upload type question. So here a dialog box appears. You need to say continue. And now here you can add your question. So suppose my question is write down or frame any 5 questions on integer addition and subtraction and upload photo of your answer here. This is my question. Okay, now here you need to click on this circular ball, allow only specific file type. So I am asking for the photo, so I will select image. If I am asking for the video, I will select video. Okay, if I want to ask for want PDF from them, I will select PDF. You can select multiple options otherwise. Okay, no, there is no harm. Maximum number of files, matlab how many photocopies they can insert. So suppose you want 5, you can add 5, 10, whatever. File size is 10 MB by default, let it. Then answer key. So from here you can change the points to your answer. I add 5 points to this question. I say done. Okay, so file upload type question is also done. Now I am again tapping on this plus sign to show you next type of question, how to add. So let us add multiple choice grid. So suppose my question is choose the correct option or odd man out. Okay, choose the correct option. So suppose first is plus comma minus, integer rules we will add here. Second is suppose minus comma plus, third row I add minus comma minus, and fourth row plus comma plus. So my probable answers I put it here for all four questions, plus and minus. Okay, so this is multiple choice grid. They can select more than one question. Now if I tap on answer key, you can make it 0.5 है ना, or whatever you want, or keep it 1 as it is. It's up to you, and say done. I again go to this plus button to show you next type of question. Checkbox grid. Here if I say odd man out, odd man out. Okay, so if I say furniture, or related to integers, if I say odd man out, -2 plus 3, and second is suppose 3 minus 1. Okay, for columns I am adding +1, second 1, third 2, and fourth +2. Okay, so these are few options I have written. If I want to change the answer points, I can do it from here only. Okay, here we will select the answer key. The answer key for this is -2 plus 3. So it is +1, and this also. Okay, so 3 minus 1, 2, +2. So you need to select it from here and say done. We are not done for this. Let us do it. So plus minus is minus, minus plus minus, minus minus plus, and plus plus plus, and say done. Okay, so let me check if anything is left. So if I want to add linear scale, if I want to take the rating scale, so I will say rate your learnings. Okay, so on the scale of 5, on the scale of 4, whatever you want, I want them to rate on the scale of 4. The very first is very good, or we can add rate your class very happy, okay, and not so happy. However you want the response, okay, and then answer key. Here you don't want any answer key, okay, for this question. For feedbacks we don't want any answer key, so I make it 0. So you are done with all types of questions here, okay. Now let us see the preview of our form from this button, and see your form would look like this. Write your name, write your grade, see, okay, multiple choice, checkbox, date, okay, add file. So this is how your form would get created, and this is how we are done with our form, the basic one.